Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can organize a whole load of mess of stationery. Organizing papers. So all you do is make two piles, one for white paper and one for colored paper. And any rubbish in this pile can just be thrown in the bin. Okay, so you just go through them. So for example this one can't really be used again, so just throw that away. Really need this. That can just go. So once you have organized your papers, you will have two neat piles like this. Then all you need is this 2-tier filing tray. Once you have added the papers, you will have something like this, the final outcome. So let's go back and organize this stationery mess. So as you can see, I have made two piles. On this side is everything that we will keep and use on a daily basis, most likely. And on this side, everything that we don't really need to use, as it's already repeated, like pens, glue stick, we already have one on that side. So we will keep this separate, and we can keep this in a plastic pencil case for future use. So as you can see, from this side I have kept 3 pens, 3 pencils, a glue stick, pencil sharpener, rubber, a ruler, some colored pencils and a scissor. That's all we need really. So these stationery that we won't be using, let's put this aside. So to organize the stationery that we left on the right side on the table, all we need is a small pencil pot. So before we add all the stationery into the pencil pot, it's best to sharpen all the pencils so they're ready to use when required. So this is how your pencil pot would look once all the stationery is added. So nice and neat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Bye!